Hi friends, welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home-style cooking. Today I'll be giving my product review of Home Puff's Borosilicate lunchbox set. It's a glass lunchbox set which is a healthy choice to be used on a daily basis. The product was couriered to me, so here's the clip of me unboxing it. This set had 3 square lunch boxes along with a carry bag. Each box is 320 ml in capacity. These are free from BPA, which is a chemical found in plastic lunch boxes. BPA can seep into the food and cause health issues. So in that way, glass is much healthier as it does not leach any chemicals even into hot food. The labels say that the boxes are safe to be used in the microwave oven, convection oven, dishwasher and the freezer. The boxes have clip-on lid. There was also an air vent on top. Another advantage is that you can stack these boxes one above the other and keep it in the refrigerator. The carry bag is also a good quality one. It had an extra pouch in the front and long straps. There is also a handle on top. There was a netted pouch in the back where maybe you could put your cutlery in. So for my first trial, I prepared some vegetable rice along with some raita. I also like to include some fresh seasonal fruits in my lunch box. After keeping the boxes in the lunch bag, there was also place for the cutlery in the side. I placed a lunch towel in the front pouch. It's been 4 hours now and time to eat lunch, so let's open up our boxes. The vegetable rice is slightly warm. The raita has not leaked out, which is a good thing. If you see, the lid has a silicone ring which keeps it airtight and leak-proof. Coming to the watermelon pieces, they still look bright and fresh. Nowadays, most offices have microwave in which you can reheat the food in the same box. Here I am just going to microwave for 1 minute. So there you have it, your hot lunch ready to enjoy. Overall, I would say it's a very good quality product. You can definitely invest in one and it will last you for years as long as you handle it with care. The only drawback, I would say, that it has to be handled with care and it cannot be given to children. Other than that, I just love this product and would definitely recommend to everyone. You can order this set online from Home Puff's website or from Amazon. They also have many other options to choose from. I'll end my review here. Thanks for watching. See you again with more interesting videos. Until then, bye-bye.